If you plan on taking a cruise out of Port Canaveral, here's a hotel stay that you may want to try, the Holiday Inn Express at Cape Canaveral. It is right across the street from Terminal 3, where Carnival is at, and also other cruise lines. It's right across the street, so all I had to do is just grab your luggage and walk across the street, and you don't even have to worry about catching the shuttle to get to the cruise port. I'm going to show you what's like the cabin, what's like the room looks like, and a little bit of hotel. Come follow me. So as you walk in, it's the immediate lobby area.
Thank you.
Plenty of places to sit down. The front counter area. You got snacks. On the weekends, they do have complimentary breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. Coffee center. A nice lounge area to hang out here, watch some TV. And you have a pool. Nice pool area. Hang out, relax. Nice loungers. And for those of you who are driving out here, they do have the electric car chargers right here to charge up your vehicles. A nice fitness center. They have a hydration center so you can fill up your water bottles. That's nice. We don't need a scale on vacation. So when you walk in, to your immediate left is the restroom. Hand soap, body lotion, got the towels, of course the regular old restroom. Okay, you got conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. Okay, standard. And behind the door is the hair dryer. So as you walk in, you have a full-length mirror, hooks to hang stuff in, and then you go to your left. You have your microwave and your coffee center. Oops, your little coffee center right here, and your refrigerator. Oh, yep, it's cool. It's nice and cool. Then you walk into the main area. Got this thermostat, electrical outlets, got your 2 beds, little stool right there, some more electrical outlets, USB ports, some nice lighting, and a chair for relaxation. There's the air conditioner, and you have your workstation here. And there are outlets down there so you can plug in your stuff. You have your drawers. They're kind of deep too. Nice big TV. Area for storage right here. And you have a cabinet. Up in here, your hangers. And the safe. So here's my final thoughts on the Holiday Inn Express at Cape Canaveral. I give it a 4.5 stars out of 5. I like it because it's right across the street from Terminal 3 if you're sailing on Carnival. I like it, the room's clean, everything's fresh, the bed's nice, smells good, nice big lobby, pool area, and everything. So yeah, I give it a 4.5. Again, I don't have to call it Uber in the morning. I just walk right across the street and I'm on the ship. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm TJs with TJ's Destinations.